A giant inflatable dog was having its day when it escaped from its tethers due to strong winds and embarked on an unexpected solo stroll. Caught on video on May 19th in Guangdong Province, China, the massive dog can be seen rolling across a main street, occupying half the roadway, and even tumbling over parked cars. According to witnesses, the staff responsible for the inflatable promptly arrived on the scene from a nearby residential community. They deflated the dog and removed it to prevent any possible traffic congestion or accidents.